Honorable Yahuza, we are welcome to West Akim Media GH.
Thank you for having me this morning. The name is Abdul-Karim Yahuza Muhammad Awal, Presiding Member for West Akim Municipal Assembly. Anopai Mamintia West Wing Media GH Ashafo any 84 Eastern region Ghana for Nara or Eviasia for Nana, baby Biarubia or Shami. I didn't chair at the mount at the fee West Akim Municipal Assembly. As a presiding member, me are the board chair. Presiding member is the chair, the board chair of the assembly. Presiding member is Juma Edoso. Emrani said, ye presiding member from the House of Assembly. And so I cry war assembly ne parliament in Temono. You see, parliament a leadership, that is the speaker of the house, outside parliamentarians. But over your level, local governance now, your power a presiding from the members, being it elected or an appointee. Utimi ever year a presiding. A Juma Bain and we be as a presiding, oh yeah. Presiding a Juma is Nedikai Assembly Asia na Obetotua. Assembly we believe the micro of the parliament. Parliament Juma Yinara, that is what we do at Assembly. A Juma Parliament Yepiara, Yansu Yebi. Parliament subcommittees. Assembly subcommittees. Committees the chairpersons representing committees Assembly of mine work subcommittee, justice and security subcommittee, social service subcommittee, development and planning subcommittee, micro and small enterprise subcommittee, agri subcommittee. These subcommittees chairpersons and a share na formal executive committee. Into assembly biara two committees are strong a casa edema assembly. Two committees. One is chaired by the DCE or MCE. That is the executive committee. It is chaired by MCE or DCE. Then the other is PRCC, Public Relation Compliance Committee. That one is also chaired by the presiding member. So these are the only two committees Yawo Assembly. I will make take the session, and yes, the highest decision-making body, the General Assembly. So see, my member committee your friend is a PRCC being chaired by the presiding assembly share. All members of our assembly include the MC or the DC woman Yinara. It is the presiding who chairs over and preside over the meeting. The Juma Idika not presiding over the meeting. And to over your level, your speaker of the house or no? Your speaker of the house or no?
And more Yajuma Kasepa.
Of course.
Wow.
A Juma dear, but send your name to Sassamino, Dobuana and Shella, and name what assembly members bar, and the presiding member. Emra Amanukwai say the committee no being the PRCC no all the education I ever abanye dwuma ho nyina ro no be ya amatimanfo na timanfo who say and abanye policies eko buying the government of the day. Dwuma biara obeso wahyehyɛ, dwuma biara assembly ahyehyɛ biara. The mouthpiece of the assembly is the presiding. Ono obekɔ na wabɔ amane. Ono obeka kyerɛ timamufo. Nti normally no enka enhyehyɛ biara ene 2026 na me aya adoma eba bedu no. Enka assembly nhyehyɛ biara waye nhyehyɛ no, it is presiding members across the country Ghana and enka say yet wo monka ewo radio stations, televisions, all the media telling people this is what we are about doing.
Wow.
And a presiding member, no any other person but the presiding member, and enka say it all the radio stations, all the media houses telling Timemufo the action assembly no ewo ema Timemufo. Again, presiding member office is open for public. Obi biara our problem with any public officer within the jurisdiction of the assembly, being the district or municipality. A one say lodge will complain. I hope you are getting me.
Yes.
Yes. The one say any public officer within the jurisdiction of the assembly, being in the district or municipality, who have problem with any public officer, it is the office of the presiding as a logical complaint.
The first time I did that.
Yes. Ono namara amano kwan so betimi atena wasam so na why mediation. Eboro no so a na wetimi actual recommendations say there you betimi akokot no akoka.
Okay.
Obetimi ana why because Commission of Human Rights and Administrative Justice is part of the PRCC. Yes. You see, it's a huge office because of the legal backing, the legal advice. Even though the presiding is chair, but our legal personnel obetunofo senebeya atenya obeguno ebeya atentene.
Nankoya attention.
That is it.
Wow. Nobo Abdul-Karim Yahuza when the Yaniaso, who can near when Yanipa, and himself will. Of
course.
And as I say, after 2026, what are your projections for the municipal?
Me say, in fact, after 2026, Assembly no more with the leadership of Honorable Paulina Akabila. I said 2026, action year, senior Mampedi Ankasa. We are implementing all the policies abiding at the central point. We are equally ready to do so.
Okay.
To say, your main problem is that we are targeting our revenue mobilization.
Okay.
It means fact when you mean to Timamufo for say, what you may now it doesn't make you a good citizen. Irrespective of baby or so collectors about collectors mago and ma winning just a mean to your talk.
Okay.
Debbie, you should be ashamed of yourself.
We were not at the Bayan Puntu.
And none yet the Bayan Puntu Juma. Until assembly no deploy members.
Okay.
Nipa. You deploy until you make kind of say, if you are interested in revenue collection, bra, throw letter bra.
Oh,
you remember what you might hear?
With what qualification?
No, Ubetima bra.
Okay.
If only Nipo Bejina which is a simisi, Bejina Mechina, wa guarantee a mower. The Honorable MC, I already said, as much as a sofa, never be upon a BITM and what you
okay.
Into your budget, ya Jensua, Timamufo Beku set and pack that digital.
The machine,
drip machine, haba, ye be use machine. Machine are massa babeta home, and yes, showcasing, and yes, bishop, machine baby yuma. Now, what you try a quine, I walk home. Rules, you know, we will do reshaping. We will do reshaping. And I know action concerning the mobile traveling to my office here.
You speed rams.
Speed rams.
Driver for no Ricardo.
Yes. This is a leadership with vision. This is a leadership with vision. The Honorable Paulina Akabila. The leadership with vision. Who said there be series of accidents? You recorded accident people be a school for school problem, a teacher for problem. Nipa cross up this ones, a cross up a problem. You regulate amount. You regulate amount. Baby, I knew young son, and that's a man was so best and they at their court or Senasi zone, then to Bregumasu zone, then to Ojade, Ebeko. And to me, Jitin to say, one hour no share boundary like Upper West. Like Upper West. Upper West will also do same. Then Asanaman also do same. Then Chambo also do same here. Ubemu said, "Na baby, I would do your sector here." You see, sir. If you don't want to be mindful, we'll help you to be mindful by reducing your speed.
Okay.
Until now, me go to 2026. Yaje your revenue na ye twa kwan so no. Not to stand so say. Yesuku for. Ye need do mochi. Achira for. Any school for you need the actually to say the social service committee no ya yan hwehwe say omo be nante school by school na ya hwe school no and then ne to chima ya complaints achira for mko school ha na okotoro ni din na wo fi school no ni nyina ya bedi actually odu na wo sign say ya then no ko or do not sign in now or be sign in now sign out at a time.
The same morning now.
The same morning. No say that committee no ebanante. And I mean for we the agri subcommittee no a new subcommittee a no under the visionary leader Madam Paulina Kabila. And Obama say no. We share your bro your bottom no but you need committee or you're responsible for that. And what is our committee? And now we need a farming, animal farming, and crop farming. We be a committee or shares and your mano into the beach or assembly. Na besusu. Komofa, Kosuso Hochra, you had the better na and then Mama fish farming. Assembly Lancasa fish farming. Send a bear unemployment, you know, a bit to me. Intimate and twice a pra, you better do so a perform. Yadinquala is Juma. Send a man penny share one. Ya started at Dinquala MCPs or Montreal Juma. That is artisans.
Okay. Someone is what they who know so.
Yes.
And so on once a day and come on baby, you know. So I shall your new site a horror why a boho light extension. Almost complain kakra, and she shall be no more. Son of your so being light to a new site a horror or one.
Medase. A salmon a some at the Assembly in a sense that there was a time. Yet one more a new site. But we cannot share the way a connection, you know, electricity, intimate train light from a few back, a single face. Now you train lighted the houses by 5, 6.
Hey, Humpa.
In fact, I asked myself, electricity, what are you doing? You train a disaster in Siena. Anti Obasha, a fake way, Emrano, the office of the municipal planning or district planning officer. I want to share.
Okay.
I want them. And she share say, and then after 4 years, come here, me jidi say, as at now, as I remember, be actually and the man for pet at the Amani district or the municipality. Okay. The officer in charge of it, that is development and planning. Na ya yentutu. This electricity extension there, aban we ya yet. Was say I know the unfa ni awo. Nti afi ye bebre. Obi biara wo tie me wo extension wo honomo pay a ben or municipal or district planning officer. An engineer go to the planning officer. Or no, you're responsible for that. For we hear some to name through your assembly member.
The catch assembly member Diana now the call sample.
Yes, the company for no through your assembly member. Who bet me Yankrata, who bet me actually the man who we are one sounds to an amount of planning officer.
Yeah, yet my phone and assembly man we are.
Yes, wait me a call. Into assembly man air canon. Let my phone so eka. Into women's office at the Bemus a day.
Yes, someone. Wow.
I say you responded to it.
You. And the Ayuko, that's when and himself, you ever studio and Cassana, and no one should more question. Nansana, a dear come baby, and Minim so one she asked from my door for you. Upper Lower West Akim baby, I'm gonna have this match.
West Akim. You see the difference, and it's when you are dealing with the member of parliament, you say Lower West Akim constituency.
Okay.
But if you are dealing with the assembly members, then you say West Akim Municipal Assembly.
Okay.
Difference a woman.
It's not woman. That I say what you.
To say woman. And the officer was a presiding officer. No. Let's just say municipality no.
Okay.
Municipality no. Whatever party for someone, then we deal with the constituency.
Okay.
To mention Medema his excellency John Dramani Mahama. When we in the mass, Papa, baby, I will be a radish no more by. Wash a bomb when the Sumagana forms up. Wash a bomb. The radish. Samson, all one stakeholders, when I come home, Ninara, I come on a year, baby, your way. Because your mouth the brainers when yet it are for I went to me, one Ninara don't want to. Obama municipality Moha, Yakura, and Casam and Seven Bonabaso. Osaba me do that con our so me so. Papa Nyankwada afi na me chia me municipal chief executive madam Radin Shirawai so far so good baby I would do it ogo so ekowene Radin Shiraw afi the most important are my assembly members PM for aba me dem I lucky do me so no dear assembly members me percentage 110 biara.
Wow.
They are ever ready to do everything for me. In fact, ministry can you say may God bless you all. May God bless you all. And West when the kakra baby monso mudia do no media ye twa muja nye de bia me can say. And then media in Ghana has become the fourth organ of government. Yes. Wabekamo, we in the film and ye, Monso Raden Camo. Baby or home, send me Sabia Mubebusano. A tiakuma, Nanso, your vanity. Say it to me, a Toyabuna, ye yimano. The Raden Shiram no more Monso Mohombai. Nay, Yanswa, Money a Jumano, yet me recognize them. Na would be a safata say the mamma would not eat me at your mom. Send a bayer. Or mine no banya chafa. Because all yard there no be uncountry will be so all yard there. Or better than one who say we baby. It's a jay yam. A young fear my name, Yamuso, Yame, and Shiram. Why? But some members in Amitiara.
There was a pan so. Nyakopon sha no more ban no more content so and them we nyina so NC.
Amen. Bye bye. Thanks for coming.
You're welcome.